So super excited to share how to use AI eye contact at ShotVu. There are actually three steps that you need to take. Number one, you need to sign in into the account. Number two, you need to record your video. And then number three, you need to um, click on the video and put the check mark AI eye contact, and then AI does all the job. It actually corrects the eyes, and let's see the result. So just recording the test video to see how AI eyes contact work, and let's test it together.
So my feedback is actually pretty decent. I think it's developing in a really fantastic direction. Works really well. So please use it. It's at shotvu.com. I'll drop the link below, and then leave your feedback and also comments. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.